What happened to the moon when it bumps into the earth?
Oh, the
No.
moon will break into pieces, just like asteroids.
What? Why? What?
Because the strong gravity is the Earth.
What characteristics? What characteristics of the earth that can break the moon?
After 20,000
What we call the force of the earth?
years, it's harder than stones to crack it.
For example, this is the earth. Okay.
Maybe break the pieces. Just like asteroids. The moon will make
Hi.
no asteroids.
What will happen when you cut all the trees and you destroy all the plants?
There was in the flood.
Flood, it caused a flood.
The big flood just like boats and barcos.
When there is flood.
To the tallest tower in the world.
So we have no tower here.
And maybe we can go far away. The 50,000 far away.
Where far away is that?
9 feet tall or far away, just like Canada. To China. China's far away for baby.
You will go to China?
China's
Huh? China is our...
maybe America.
Huh? You will go to America?
Yes.
If you have flood here?
Oh yeah.
How can you go there?
Maybe the speedboat and bus and barco and motors and bikes and
May flood gani, mabike ka pa? You can use bike in flood? You can use bike?
or maybe a tallest bus.
Tallest bus? May flood by gani.
What about the tallest bus? This is the bottom, this is the tallest bus. Then nagalipin tao sa babaw katap pero may pungkuan dyan sa babaw katap. Diyan mahalip sa tao sa dalom. Kung may baga, ano right to get.
Who will build a tallest bus? Who will build?
Maybe everyone can do that. That's it, you guys.
You can build?
What?
Huh? So that we will save.
I don't know.
Ano sakyan mo kung may baha?
Maybe
Nanay, right?
maybe a roof in the top of our house.
You will go there on top, on the roof.
Oh yeah.
No food to eat.
Dad, we can take our food. And then to make a fire.
Oh, you will bring karaha there and make a fire.
Oh yeah.
So what will happen by? Where will you go? Where will you make a fire? Because it is raining.
Well, maybe I will umbrella.
We use the umbrella.
Yes, more umbrellas. Maybe if it can be the